You found so far, but what are they? Aren't they amethyst or something? What have you found so far, Zeke? Nothing. What's that big purple one? Silhouetted. No. I'm videotaping right now.
Did you hear me say it's going to be 29 degrees and you need to get your stuff?
I think so.
You got your hat, but you forgot the rest of your stuff. Remember I said?
Put your hand in your other glove. That's what I do all the time.
I knew about the glove, but I didn't know that you didn't have a coat.
Yeah, the reason she knows about the glove.
I see a deer.
Where? I don't see any.
Right there.
I see a deer. Oh, I saw that one. Oh, I see two. I see it. It's like it's so cute. Oh, I see it.
Yeah.
All right, guys. Let's talk a little bit about this animal. I'd ask y'all a question. Y'all remember what it was?
I demand you to take that picture. Look up here. Oh my God! I need to see this. I need to see this. We're showing off now. That is cool. You think it's that picture? I think that's its water.
They have really good sense of depth perception. Y'all might not know what that is, so I want to illustrate. Does anyone know what that is? Throw that out there. What's depth perception? Yeah, what is that? Okay, it's kind of like that. Who wants? I want to have. Can I let you be a deer? Is it okay if I meet you? As a cougar? I'm just playing. Okay, well, one of y'all come over here. Or you can both be over here. Let's pretend there are two deer. And you're going to be eating right here. You don't have to get down. You can just kind of face down. Okay? And I'm going to be a cougar. And I'm going to show you a little bit about what depth perception is. And by the way, a cougar's main food is deer. They can eat about a deer a week. It's a lot of deer in a year. How many deer would that be in a year? Let's throw some math out here.
52.
Exactly, 52. So imagine if, and we don't have very many mountain lions, if any, in this area anymore. Imagine if we took away mountain lions, which we kind of have, how many more deer there are going to be. And that's one reason we have about 1.1 million deer in the state now. They don't have natural predators like the mountain lions. Okay, so they're deer. They're going to be eating here. If I was a smart cougar, would I come from the side or from behind?
Behind.
Why?
Because the deer have it on the side.
Okay, they do have side vision, exactly. So I'm going to be a cougar, and you have to turn around. You can't see me yet. So I'm sneaking up from behind. If I had good depth perception, I would know exactly where this deer was compared to other objects. Let's say she was a rock, she was a tree. I know exactly where you can go after it. I'm wrong. I had bad depth perception. Or maybe try to jump in front of it. But because the deer, or because the cougar has good depth perception and knows exactly where this deer is compared to other objects, and we'll be able to catch this deer probably. Thank y'all for being deer. So let's listen here. Shh. If the mountain lion didn't get that deer, if somehow that deer noticed the mountain lion was coming up from the behind, maybe it did see it, or maybe it heard it coming up, think there's going to be a chase? There is. Y'all remember how fast the deer could run? 35. 35. You know how fast the cougar can run? Than the deer. And y'all have all played tag before, right?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
And if you have someone that's faster than you and they're right behind you and you know they're about to get you, do you just keep running and let them get you?
I swivel.
You swivel, swerve, you do something. You make some kind of move to make sure that they don't get you. And that's what the mountain lion is going to see the deer doing. It's going to see that deer moving from side to side, making quick turns. The deer's very agile. It'll make really quick turns. And if y'all have watched deer run before, you probably noticed them too. They have this kind of swinging motion and they'll go side to side kind of like this. The deer's going to be fast. That's 35 miles an hour is fast. And you know, 5 to 10 miles an hour, that's a little bit of difference between their speeds. So a mountain lion might not be able to catch it for a little while.
Jasmine, you want to hold my hand?
Oh, look at that. If we fall, you know what we're going to hit.
You want to hold my hand?
Cross, come back.
You can come hold my hand.
I do not.
I'm going to take it.
Hey Zeke, what do you think? It's not as bad as you thought, is it?
Take your hands off the real Mr.
What do you think, Declan? There's some more of those berries. Doggy thinks. What do you think, Declan? What do you think?
If you